Hello guys, welcome back to Infinite Tech, the real tech channel. The topic of today's video is to download the Arduino software compatible with the all of three, the Arduino Uno, the Arduino Mega, the Arduino Nano. Its software is a major part which leads a programmer to coding. So let's start with today's video and here we go. First of all, we will open the browser. As you all know, I love to use Chrome browser, so I will be opening that. You can open any other browser of your choice. Now type on the search bar for arduino.cc and click on search button. The first website you see named www.arduino.cc is the official site from where we will be able to download the Arduino software. Here you can see the home page of the site. Here every detail you want to know about Arduino is processed and you can access it from any corner of the world. So now start the downloading. Select the software option above and then click on downloads. Here by clicking on code online, you will be able to upload files to your Arduino without downloading the software, and all of those files will be saved by signing in, and then you can sign in from any other corner from the world or any other your phone, your computer, your tablet to see your programs. Here the topic of downloaded the Arduino.IDE is present and a blue box is present where you can see many of the softwares operating softwares are present. The Linux 32 bits, Linux 64 bits, Linux ARM 32 bits, Linux ARM 64 bits, Mac OS X for 10.10 and many other. I will be installing Windows installer for Windows 7 and up as I have Windows 7 in my PC. So I will be clicking on that and now it will, you can see, led us to a new page. As we all know that Arduino.cc is a community which offers us this software and it is a social community, so you can donate the amount if you want. Here in the bold you can see it is clearly mentioned the number of downloads till now all over the world for Arduino software. So if you don't want to make any contribution, just click on just download and you can see your Arduino software has started downloading. It will take some time as per your Wi-Fi or internet speed. I will be skipping it to make the video as short as possible for all of you guys, and you can see it here comes to an end and here it completed. Now as we can see, so it is completed, so we will close the browser and we will directly go to our computer and then under it the option of downloads. Here we can see that Arduino 1.8.3, the latest software for our Windows, is present. Double click on that to install it. A new box comes on our window and here we have to click on run to install it. Then it will ask you for a legal agreement that you all know, and here we will click I agree. Then it will install everything with it, all the drivers, all the shortcut menu, so you can directly code your program Arduino and click on next. You can select the option where you want to store your shortcut and click on install. After that it will start installing. It will take some time To make the video short, I am skipping some part here. It will take some time. After, you can see clearly that files and folders are increasing in a great number as it's a large program, large software we can say. Now it will display. You can see the files and folders are increasing. Now it asks us to allow to install the driver software or not. Click on install, and within no time you all guys will see the Arduino installation will come to an end. And here we go. Now click on close and directly go to the location where you asked for it to save the shortcut. I have selected desktop, so I will be going to desktop, and here you can see that Arduino named application installed. Right click and click on open. First time it will take some extra time to set up. And here we go. Now on your screen you can see the Arduino software. Here are some of its tools like compile, upload, save, open, etc, etc. So as you can see, we have done with the uploading. So here the video comes to an end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the Infinite Tech and hit the bell icon for